In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Farfetch promo codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and search for Farfetch promo codes. Right here, select this website which is called couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if I want to get this 15% off my next order, all I have to do is select your coupon code right here. And this is the discount code that I can use on my next purchase in order to get this discount right here. Also, going back to our main structure right here, if I'm going to scroll down a little bit, I should be able to find this website, which is called simplycodes.com. And right here, I have also listed different type of promo codes that I can use. And for example, if I want to get this one with 15% off, all I have to do is select copy code right here. And this is the discount code that I can apply on my next purchase in order to get that discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.